Throughout the month of February, in honor of Black History Month, TARC is saving a seat on every bus and celebrating Black leaders in the community and within our own agency. This week we talk with William Harris, Director of Maintenance.
Black History Month to me is it's an opportunity for everyone, not just Black America, to celebrate some of the accomplishments and some of the milestones that Black Americans have provided in the years past. Favorite part of the job is just love coming in, and engaging employees on a daily basis. I like to see other employees be successful both in life and career. I think my mom was my biggest inspiration in my life. She would always state, no one's going to give you anything. You have to work. You have to work hard for anything you're going to get. And if you want something, you're going to have to go out and get it, right? Because no one's going to ever give you anything. Just work hard, apply yourself, every chance you get, and seek out information from others, and don't be afraid to take risks.
For more highlights of our leadership team and additional ways we're celebrating Black History Month, visit ridetarc.org or search #SaveASeat on social media.